How are you all? I am Nancy ma'am, and today we will be learning backward numbers 60, 2, 5, 1, 51. Today we will be starting our session with a good morning song. So are you ready? Let's start. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Stretch up, stretch down. Spin your head, turn around. Move your shoulders up and down. Stretch your arms, turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's learn. Did y'all enjoy the good morning song? Yes. So now, before proceeding on our today's topic, let's revise backward numbers 50 to 0 that we had learned in the previous session. Backward numbers 50 to 0. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's move ahead and learn orally backward numbers 60, to 51. 6, 0, 60. 5, 9, 59. 5, 8, 58. 5, 7, 57. 5, 6, 56. 5, 5, 55. 5, 4, 54. 5, 3, 53. 5, 2, 52. 5, 1, 51. Now kids, let's learn to write these numbers in our notebooks. We shall start with today's date 1, 1, dot 9, dot 2, 0. Leave 2 finger space, capital B, A, C, K, W A R D. One finger space. N capital. U M B E R S. Backward numbers. 6 0 60 dash 5 1 51. Now leave one line and near to the margin line write T O dot T O dot T O dot T O. That is 4 times. Let's start. 6 0 60 5 9 59 5 8 58 5 7 57 5 6 56 5 5 55 5 4 54 5 3 53 5 2 52 5 1 51. Let's repeat. 60 59 58 57 56 55 54 53 52 51. So kids, under these 3 columns, you have to write thrice in the same formation.
Children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.